Hello everyone, in this video, I'll guide you through creating and integrating TikTok Pixel into your website. To get started, we'll be using the Delta TikTok Pixel app available in the Shopify App Store. This app allows you to effortlessly install multiple TikTok pixels with just one click. Navigate to TikTok Business Manager. Go to Assets section, then click on Advertiser Account, then click on Ads Manager to access the dashboard. Go to Tools section in the menu bar, then click on Events. To initiate a new pixel, click on Connect Data Sources. Choose the web option and proceed with Manual Setup, then click Next. Write the name of your pixel and click Next. Skip unnecessary steps, click Confirm. Enable Automatic Advanced Matching and click Finish. Now, the pixel is created in Event Manager. Here you will get the pixel ID, access token, and test event code. Now let's install the pixel to your website. Go to the app and click on the TikTok tab. Click on Add New Pixel. Name the pixel. Copy the pixel ID from the Event Manager, paste it in the app. Go back to Event Manager, click on Settings, scroll down and click on Generate Access Token button. TikTok will generate a unique access token for your app. Copy this token, click on Conversion API, and paste the token in Access Token field. Now let's find the test event code. Go back to the Event Manager. Click on Test Event tab. Scroll down and copy the test event code. Paste it into Test Event Code field and click Next. Let's integrate the app in 2 easy steps. Click on Enable button. A new pop-up will appear. Click Enable Extension. Enable the Delta Pixel app. Click Save. Now go back to the app, close this pop-up. Copy the script and go to Customer Events page. Click on Add Custom Pixel, write the pixel name, and click Add Pixel. Now replace the code with the script and save the settings. Click Connect. Navigate back to Customer Events page. Here you can see the pixel is now listed and connected. Now go back to the Delta Pixel app, click I have done both steps, and click Done. Now you've successfully created a TikTok pixel and integrated it into your website. Let's test the pixel. Visit your online store, perform some activities, and proceed with a purchase. Check events tracked in the Event Manager. Now you can see that all the events are tracked here. You can also check these events in your app. Go to your app and click on the Analytics tab. Select the date, click on Apply button. And here all the events or activities are tracked in the Delta Pixel app. So the pixel is successfully installed and working. Thank you.